Many hands make light work use a sustainability process that engages as many members of your coalition as possible. Why? A team can provide more talent, more energy, and higher access to resources than a single person. Research shows that coalitions with longer lifespans tend to have a high level of engagement from their coalition members. A coalition coordinator or staff person should not try to single-handedly take on the task of sustainability planning. Your coalition exists to improve the health of your community. You follow the strategic prevention framework, you study the data to identify the priority issues and their root causes, you develop the plan with measurable objectives and priority prevention strategies. You are doing the work and assessing progress. What is your plan to continue these efforts? What efforts should you continue? What efforts will you be able to continue? To answer these questions, you'll need to review evaluation data and other local data to understand the importance and impact of your efforts. In some cases, you might find you accomplish your task and do not need to continue that specific prevention strategy. In other cases, you might have questions or concerns about whether a prevention strategy is really working. It's important to engage your entire coalition in answering these questions. Let's pause here for a brief group activity. Answer this question: what prevention strategies would you like to see your coalition sustain? Your facilitator will write down the suggestions on flipped chart paper. This list will be part of an activity that occurs later in the session. You'll have about 5 minutes to complete this task. What questions do you have about the activity? Congratulations, you've started the conversation with your coalition members about prevention strategies that you are interested in sustaining. How do you narrow down this list? Your coalition will review data for each of the prevention strategies. Program evaluation data and community impact data may influence your decision about what prevention strategies to sustain. This step will take time for you to gather, organize, and review the information.